Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to fix Roblox network keeps disconnecting issue on Windows 11, 10, 8 and 7. Let's fix it guys. Go to search menu and type network connection. Comes up view network connections. Click on open it. Right click on the internet connection you are using and select properties. Select internet protocol version 4 and select properties. Select use the following DNS server addresses and type here 8888 and alternative DNS server type 8844. Click on OK to search in this and just close it off here and search CMD. Click on the command prompt and select run as administrator and select yes. Type here ipconfig space/flash DNS and press enter. Now successfully flash the resolved cache. Now you just need to close it off here and restart your PC. After restarting your PC, you can play the Roblox without having any problem. And that's it for today's video guys. Give me a like and subscribe. Thank you.